Welcome students, this is your science teacher Anirban Boshak. In the previous chapter, that is fiber to fabrics, we have discussed that why do we wear woolen clothes during winters. Can you tell me students that why do we wear woolen clothes during winter? Yes, so that we can feel warm. Okay. During summer, we often try to wear light colored cotton clothes. Yes. So, why do we wear cotton clothes? Yes, because to get the feeling of coolness. So, around us there are many objects which can be classified as hot or cold. By the sense of touching, we can feel whether an object is hot or cold. So, the tea is hot, whereas the ice is cold. The tea is hot, whereas the ice is cold. But the sense of touching is not always reliable or to depend upon, because it can cause harm to us. As the name of the chapter goes, heat. What is heat? Before going to the explanation, we shall discuss it with an example. For example, if we take a vessel or a utensil and keep it over a flame, for example, we are preparing tea. So, in this utensil, the tea water is present. When we put on the flame, the tea starts to boil. The tea starts to boil. Now, if we keep a lid or a cover over the utensil in which the tea is boiling, what happens? That the lid or the cover tends to move and makes a sound. Now, why it is moving or making a sound? This is due to heat. This is due to heat. Now, what is heat? Let us know. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Form of energy capable of doing work, which is capable of doing work. So, heat is a form of energy capable of doing work. For that reason, we can hear the sound when we keep a cover or a lid over the boiling tea vessel. Thank you, students.